Hey guys, did you know a dog became a war hero? Meet Sergeant Stubby. In 1917, this stray Boston Terrier mix was adopted by a soldier and smuggled onto a ship to France. Stubby served in 17 battles during World War I. He warned soldiers of gas attacks, found the wounded, and even captured a German spy. If you're enjoying this, a sub to the channel would be pawsome. His bravery earned him the rank of sergeant and loads of medals. Stubby met 3 US presidents and even inspired an animated movie. Sergeant Stubby, an American hero.